So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hello everyone, I am Reeshu and I did my BTech in Civil Engineering in 2019. I am very grateful to share my review about eVision. It is an amazing platform to learn technical skill. The training methodology is very unique and also the assignment practice session and mock test are very useful to bring great knowledge on IT skills. eVision will transform you into a better performance of interviews. eVision conduct lots of mega challenges too without deviating the eVision from the learning track. Then I got selected in HCL technologies with salary package 3 LPA and by this phase of podcast I had learnt what to do and what not to do while preparing for crack the interview. Thank you eVision for providing me such a wonderful guidance. Thank you eVision.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.